My name is Gala. In my video, I'm going to share with you 5 simple tools ideas that make getting cuppers out of narrow jars easy. The smaller scoop of Melon Baller fits perfectly 1-inch narrow jar. Hole on the bottom helps drain the liquid. Melon Baller is perfect substitute for a copper serving spoon. Number 2 in my list, old-fashioned potato peeler. It's narrow and has drain hole. As you can see, so easy and convenient to use it. If you have in your kitchen, keep in mind another use for it. Small measuring spoon with long handle also can be used for this task, but it doesn't have drain in it. Check out my ideas. I make a copper serving spoon out of smoothie straw. It took for me less than a minute to make, and it can take a few coppers if we need for garnish as example. For my spoon, I'm going to use only little bit less than 1-inch flexible part of straw. My spoon is almost ready. Now I need to make a few holes for drain. My handmade copper serving spoon is great to take out of jar a few coppers, but for delicate garnish, the best tool is tweezers. This great garnish tool usually used in fine restaurants. Tweezers is great solution when we need place just a few coppers in a certain place on a dish. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe so you don't miss my new videos.